Do you store your data in the cloud? Yes. Yes, you do, because it's 2019 and that's where it goes. Oops. Drop this. You can't just let anyone handle your important stuff or your non-important stuff.
Be careful with my shake weight. Jeez.
That's why I only let Veeam manage my data and not the other guys. For one, I know they'll handle it with TLC. That's tender loving care.
Self-service or concierge?
Concierge. They let me upload my files to any cloud service I want on my own, or Veeam and their partners can take care of everything for me.
Sir, here's a little something you can enjoy.
Guess who never gives me bubble wrap to play with? The other guys. And if I ever decide I want to move my data from one cloud service to another, I can be 100% sure it'll make it over, in order. Hey, we're gonna move that picture to right over here.
Is this you?
That's my granddad. 100% of the data, 100% sure it'll make it over. We should trademark that.
Any idea where D is?
Try checking between C and E. That's what I do.
My stuff better not be missing.
Yeah.
Another reason I love Veeam is that I have the choice of recovering my data granularly. Thank you. See that? I got the one thing I needed and nothing more, and in less time than it took for you to check and see if I used the word granularly correctly. Let's see. Highly detailed, having many small and distinct parts. Close enough.
Wait, why are we taking everything out?
It's company policy. It's what I have to do to help you find the one thing you need, okay?
But it's right there. I can see it.
Oh, and best of all with Veeam, no redundant data handling fees. And if you know what a redundant data handling fee is, you also know that it's a pretty big deal. These things never work. Thanks, guys.
Sir?
Whoa. Where did you get that?
Veeam.
For free?